Welcome to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. Today we're going to talk about high-volume, low-calorie foods. And let me tell you, this can be a secret weapon to your weight loss. Also, I will share the vegetables, the fruits, the whole grains, and meats that can help. These foods are packed with nutrients like protein and fiber. And you know, as I always say, protein and fiber are your best friends for weight loss. When you eat, your stomach expands just like a balloon. And when this happens, it touches a nerve in the back, it's called the vagus nerves, that sends signals to your brain and tells you you are satisfied or comfortably full. So you stop eating. Some foods are dense in calories and will not expand your stomach as much. So I will have to keep eating them until I feel full. For example, nuts. These will not expand my stomach as much. So I will have to keep eating these nuts until I feel full. Now I end up with a lot of calories. So let's go over some of these high-volume, low-calorie foods. Let's start with vegetables. One of the powerhouses categories of vegetables are the cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. They're high in fiber and have the bonus of extra antioxidants and phytonutrients. Other vegetables that can add a lot of volume with little or no calories are non-starchy vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, and zucchini. Next up are fresh fruits, and the best choices here are fruits like berries, apples, mango, watermelon, citrus, and stone fruits. These are high in water content and fiber. Dry fruit is a healthy choice but can pack in a lot of calories for a small volume. Now let's talk about protein. Foods like chicken breast, sirloin steak, fish, tofu, cottage cheese, and Greek yogurt are not only rich in protein, but also relatively low in calories for their value. Protein can help maintain muscle mass while keeping the feeling of fullness, so making them a great choice for weight loss. Last but not least, whole grains. Now, specifically the whole grains that provide good amount of fiber, at least 3 grams or more, and protein, at least 5 grams or more, such as red rice, black rice, pastas, beans, quinoa, among others. So now I'm going to share with you some meals that uses ingredients that are high volume, low calorie food. All of these recipes are on my blog, Villacorta.com. Air fryer cilantro lime marinated flank steak with farro salad, red rice and veggie stir fry with Mediterranean style chicken, fusilli high protein pasta with salmon and lemon caper sauce, aguadito de pollo, a Peruvian chicken soup, high protein quinoa avocado edamame salad with yogurt dressing, instant pot pulled pork with blueberry salsa, balanced meal replacement smoothies for weight loss. All of these recipes are extremely delicious and easy to make. So remember, it's not just about calories. It's about the quality of foods you choose to eat. So go high volume, low calorie foods. I hope you found this information helpful. So please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next Manuel's Caliente nutrition topics, weight loss tips, delicious and healthy recipes. Until next time, my friends.